Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious rice mousse, step by step. First, you'll need to cook your rice. Use 1 cup of rice with 2 cups of water or milk, simmering until it's perfectly tender. Once cooked, spread it out on a tray to cool down completely. This cooling step is crucial for achieving the right mousse consistency later on, so don't rush it. Next, transfer your cooled rice into a blender or food processor. Add about 1/2 cup of your preferred milk or cream, along with 1/4 cup of sugar and a small pinch of salt. Blend this mixture until it becomes incredibly smooth and creamy. You might need to scrape down the sides a few times to ensure everything is fully incorporated, taking about 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to lighten our mousse base. In a separate bowl, gently fold in 1 cup of freshly whipped cream or a prepared meringue. This step is key to achieving that signature airy texture. You can also incorporate your favorite flavorings here, like a teaspoon of vanilla extract or some fresh lemon zest. Mix carefully until just combined, being careful not to deflate the mixture. Finally, spoon your delightful rice mousse into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. Cover it loosely and place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the mousse to set properly and develop its full flavor. Before serving, you can garnish it with fresh berries, a dusting of cinnamon, or a sprig of mint for an elegant touch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.